Axia Group of Companies is composed of duly recognized, established, full-service real estate companies committed to helping Filipinos step up to new beginnings and better days for their families by acquiring their own homes. Axia has established itself in real estate development with a sterling 38 years track record. To the segment that it has catered to, the Axia brand is recognized for durable, quality homes that are affordable and within reach. Axia's mission is to serve people and improve lives as we create value in developing vibrant communities. Beyond building homes and new communities, Axia's passion is to make the customer experience truly transformational and to be a premier developer of sustainable Filipino communities that positively transform lives. The company keeps on striving for excellence through the years. It has established an excellent reputation as a prominent valued partner of Pag-ibig Fund. Last 2019, Axia was awarded as top 3 developer corporate-wide among Pag-ibig Fund's accredited developers in terms of housing loan takeout. Then the following year, 2020, Axia landed at 2nd spot. Over the years, Axia has shown itself as a trusted home builder. Today, Axia has several projects spread over Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Pampanga, and Metro Manila. Axia offers a variety of products, from socialized housing, economic housing, to condominiums. As a real estate company, Axia goes beyond building houses. It's providing a happy home to raise a family. The pursuit of true happiness has inspired Axia in everything that it does. Best value will continue to be its solemn brand promise moving forward wherever it breaks ground. Axia, building homes, building lives.